I'm Nirmal, welcome to Spicy New. Today I will show you how to make a perfect and delicious chicken bistek. Well, bistek originated from Philippines and made with beef. But today I'm going to show you how we do it in Sri Lanka while using chicken. I'm using chicken thigh, about a kilo, cutting in half. Well, the reason why that I picked chicken thigh fillet is it's higher in fat, juicier and more flavorful. And so let me add 4 tablespoons of vinegar, follow up with 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons of crushed black pepper, and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let's mix everything together and leave it in the fridge for about an hour or 2. And also you will need about 2 red onions. I have cut into rings here, some green chilies, few sprigs of curry leaves, and a piece of cinnamon stick. And also you can use the banana chilies if you have it with you. That's pretty optional. Alright, we're about to cook the marinated chicken thighs right now. Turn on the fire and leave it to high, pan on. You can check the pan by hovering your hand over the pan, but please make sure you should not touch it. Put decent amount of oil. Let's layer the chicken. You should not leave any marination liquid in your bowl. You have to put everything in there. The fire has to be really high when you start to do this dish. The reason why is to seal the chicken and to leave all the flavors inside of the pieces. So what happens, like if you start the process in slow fire, and it will not absorb the juices into the pieces, and you will not get a very flavorful dish at the end of the process. It's been about good 5 minutes in high flame, so it's high time to flip the chicken and cook it through. I think it's been cooked properly. So turn the chicken. So once you turn it, leave it for about a minute and then you can cover. Okay, we'll cover. Once we flip the chicken, I'm going to turn down the heat to medium high and cook it through for about another 7 to 8 minutes. The reason why I cook it through with the lid on is just to make sure that all the chicken is fully cooked, because it has the bone in it. So if you don't have the bone, so you might have less cooking time. Right, let's check this one. Wow, it looks so good, it looks beautiful. But still we need to check the chicken. We need to have a bite and see whether the chicken is fully done or not. Let me grab a piece. Wow, that's perfectly done. Yet I'm gonna cover the lid and cook it through for another minute, just to make sure that all the pieces are being fully cooked. Alright, it's perfectly done. We turn off the fire. We'll transfer the chicken into the pot, the bowl that we used to marinate the chicken. You should not throw any of the juices. That's where actually the flavor from. I don't want to wash the pan, and I'm using the same pan as you can see, and because that's where the flavors, and I don't want to lose any of the flavors from there. So let me add more oil, about 7 to 8 tablespoons, and the curry leaves in with the sound. Fire is still high. Give a saute for about 10 seconds. Now you can add the onions. Follow up with green chilies and cinnamon. But the green chilies are cut lengthwise, so if anyone don't want the chilies to be beaten, so you can simply avoid and you can simply recognize the chilies. And at this stage, if you have the banana chilies or the banana capsicums or whatever you call it, so it's still you can add it, so it'll give a bit of a body to the dish and a bit more color to it. But if you don't have that, it's not going to really bother. Saute and give a toss. Cover it and cook for about a minute. You should not cook the onions for so long, because the idea here is to have the crispy onions and the rest of the ingredients. Alright, you can see the onions are in good shape and we didn't cook for so long. Now it's the time to add the chicken in it. You should not leave any of the juices in the bowl. You gotta scrape down every bit of it. Well, this is good food, man. You should not simply leave a bit of juice in there. Wow. Toss it again. Cover and cook for about a minute. And we're done. Alright, looking good. Look at that. How beautiful that is. Now it's complete. We'll turn off the fire completely off. Taste this. Can't wait for it. Oh, there you are. Look at that. Fine. Fine. If you have any questions, just comment in the comment section. Well, I can't talk too much today because honestly, I need to finish this. I know you like this video, so hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. I'll see you on another video, mate. Thank you.